You and me are all God's little lambs. Once there was a little lamb who believed life would always be green pastures and sunny skies. But life had other plans. The little lamb stumbled again. It got caught in thorns. It stood in the rain. Sometimes it felt lonely, and sometimes it wondered if it was going to be strong enough to keep going. Yet every morning the shepherd called its name. One shaky step became two. The wound slowly healed. The tears watered places where courage began to grow. The little lamb discovered that faith isn't believing you'll never fall. Faith is knowing that every time you do, the shepherd is already reaching out his hand. Hope doesn't shout, it whispers, get up one more time. And the little lamb did again and again and again. One day it looked back and realized the scars it once tried to hide had become proof of God's faithfulness. So if today you feel like that little lamb, remember this. You are never walking alone. The shepherd knows your name, carries your heart, and has already prepared a greater pasture ahead. Keep believing, keep standing, keep walking. The best part of your story is still to come. Just have faith. Remember you are enough and always look above. Please subscribe.